ngayon, kasama natin si Mommy dito. Mommy, pacara karo ano tame? Amnaya pa si pacara karo Kilusok, chene? So, ayan guys, nandito kami. Inihahatid namin siya sa bahay ni Dami Masi. And si Doc Milan, ang gawas ba?
I just did 24 hours, right?
So, he did 24 hours of duty. And then, he went to the farm early in the morning. Kasama ako. And then, after some time, bumalik kami para ibigay yung, Milan, what do you call that thing? The one I am holding earlier? Kodari. So, binigay namin yung kodari. And then, umuwi kami. Actually, nakakain na kaming dalawa ni Mommy ngayon. And later, si Papa na lang yan si Milan yung kakain. Tapos, ngayon, ihahatid natin si Mommy sa bahay ni Dami Masi kasi meron silang pupuntahan.
Kowari,
X. Kowari. Chalo, Jason na rin.
Bye-bye.
Jawa na pa siya.
Hanjali वाव जावे फोन करू हम बजे रावण तब फोन कर
Haro. So ayan guys, paalis na si Mommy. Chalo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So pupunta siya sa bahay ni Dami Masi dito. Ayan guys, sa pinakataas. So hinatid lang natin siya. And ngayon, magtatrabaho na tayo. Meron lang tayong gagawin. So tatapusin lang namin yung trabaho. Naisipan nga din namin ni Milan na pumunta dito sa Atoll Bakery guys. Kasi bibilin namin yung favorite sandwich ni Milan dito. So, tingnan natin kung nabili na. Kasi guys, 6 lang yung mga sandwich nila dito. So, bibilin na natin yung 6 na sandwich nila if hindi pa nabenta. Let's see. Sandwich get natin? Parang wala. It will take 2 hours then?
No.
Then?
They are just...
Still, gulab jamun in here?
No, this is rasgulla.
Okay, and also this shrikhan. There's shrikhan in here and also gulab jamun guys. Buy 4, huh?
But it's only good for 1 day.
Then 3. Buy 3. Papa and you.
Papa cannot eat.
Basta, 1 karo. So you'll be buying this guys. We are waiting for this one, Atoll Bakery sandwich from your tita. So they only have 6 per day. So we're buying 3 now. This one cost. It's around, there's price written I think. It's around 45. No, I don't want to eat 45 rupees. So nasa mga 32, 35. Pinakuha ko ng shampoo ni Milan and may gagawin siya sa car. What will you be doing with the car? Huh?
Fill up the water.
You will just fill up the water and that's it?
Yes.
So let's see what he will be doing. I don't know many things about car, but I'm just helping Milan over here. You just have to fill it up and then what? Ayun, nakaantaba yung shampoo natin.
After that you will put shampoo.
For what? What is that for?
For cleaning the windshield.
Ah, okay. So, this is used for the windshield.
Yes.
That's why there's bubbles whenever we're using the windshield.
So the dust
will be
clear out
gone
properly. That's why.
What will you do now?
One more papeli.
Ah, okay, we will be getting it again. Masya ulit ng isa pa, guys. Fill up daw niya para kapag linis kami ng windshield, punong-puno, hindi maubusan.
It just bubbles.
When it's overflowing.
Look. See? No water.
Guys, na-try na ni Doc Milan kung okay ba yung ginawa niya. What are you doing? You're trying it?
But
If it's
not
working? You have to fix the car for service. Guys, tingnan nyo yung banana farm natin. Milan, you will still harvest little.
Yeah, but not full.
Yes, only little left. I
Now we
mean,
will care
not so
of
many
this one.
left. Ah, now you're making it grow. It's already grown, no? As compared to what I've seen last time. But that's not our agenda for today, guys. Titingnan natin yung papaya farm kung gaano nakalaki and kung gaano nakadami yung bunga. How many months is our papaya farm, Milan? 6 months already. But this one is ready for harvest, oh baby. Look. This one is ready for harvest.
No.
It's already jada pan. It's not yet ready for harvest pala to, guys. So pinag-iingat nga tayo ni Papa ngayon kasi mas lalo nga daw lumabong yung mga papaya kasi merong mga possibility na meron pa daw snakes. Ito yung katabing ano natin, farm natin, papaya din yung sa kanya. Malalaki na din. And ang sabi ni Milan, yung papaya farm nga daw natin is marami ng bunga. So papakita niya sa akin ngayon kasi matagal din ako hindi nagpunta dito sa farm. So alas 6 na nga ng gabi ngayon, guys, and dahil nga wala si mother-in-law and nagpunta siya sa Danpor, so kami lang tatlo yung magkakasama. Nagluto na nga ako ng pagkain kanina sa bahay para pagkarating namin ni Milan, kakain na lang kami. So papakita ko yung linuto ko kanina. Nagluto ako nung talong na may kasamang patatas. Mamaya makikita nyo, papakita ko sa inyo. Napansin niya nga na nakabukas to, guys. So umalis si Milan para isarado nga. Ayan, guys, napaka labong na ng mga damo-damo, oh. Nakakatakot maglakad dyan sa loob, guys. Hindi naman sa amin to. Ito yung sa amin yung nasa loob. Ang nakita ko nga difference dito, guys, is hindi masyadong malabong yung mga bananas namin, yung sa gilid-gilid niya. Kasi ang sabi ni Milan medyo malilit nga daw yung space na ginawa niya dito. So hindi nasisinaga ng araw. Kumpara mo dito sa mga katabi namin. So tingnan niyo ang lalabong kasi nga nasisikatan niya ng araw. Just look at the way, Milan. How can you pass through there? Umikot si Doc Milan. Mula sa pinakaumpisa. Oh, Milan, kain na, your exercise is finished.
Because cock is all the way around that.
Over there, no? Ang haba kasi, ang laki kasi nitong lupa nila. So, napakalayo ng nilakad niya para isara lang yung court.
I went from like this.
Here?
Like here, yeah.
Oh ma, and so many matchar, guys. Napakalamok. Nakakagat tayo ng mga lamok. Ngayon papunta na tayo sa papaya farm natin and pinag-iingat tayo ni Papa sa mga ahas-ahas. So wag daw tayong maging mapagmasid daw kami, guys. Milan, our papaya farm is dirty?
No, not dirty.
They clean already? Okay. Oo nga. Sonal Masi is the one who cleaned the papaya farm together with the friends.
Yep.
Ingat-ingat. Ayan, guys, napakalaki na ng mga papaya. Milan, you said you cut it. Why it's still open?
I cut the middle thumb.
Okay.
That's why. So the pressure will be good here.
So you're currently putting water in here. Pinapatubig nila tong papaya farm, guys. Grabe, ang lalaki na ng Milan, no? Very big papayas already.
Nothing.
Who did muraton papaya? Me, no? I also did muraton papaya, so I hope it will do good. I hope my luckiness will still continue. What happened to this one? Died?
Huh? Yes.
This one died, guys. Oh.
Look, this is called good one.
Good one.
See?
Ay, oo nga. This one is good. Look, guys. Oh. Milan, you stand there.
Tell inside. There is still something to check.
Milan, what they will do with this one? Burn it?
Huh?
Burn this? What they will do?
It will become fertilizer.
Okay, fertilizer. It will dry up and it will become fertilizer.
Go inside. Look at that one.
Which one?
Go inside, then you will know.
Ay, wow! This one is so good. Guys, ang laki nito. How much per one piece? 15 rupees, no?
No. Right now, 400 rupee per 20 kilo.
400 rupees per 20 kilo. More than banana. And how many papayas did we plant?
1,000 plant.
So 1,000 plant. How much for 400 for 20? In one plant,
It will at least give 20.
in one plant, just like banana.
No, but in banana and here,
Ah.
the different thing is it will continue giving.
This one,
Yeah.
papaya.
Look, look, this fruit will get harvested, right?
Yes, it will
Okay,
get
here, here,
harvested.
This fruit will get harvested first. After this, that one will get harvested. After that, this one. After that, this one. And after that, there is still growing more.
So in total, it's like 40 kilos
No, total it will continue giving unless
until
until the tree got ruined. So
Ew.
at least 1.5 year or 2 year.
now you can harvest this already.
No, still after 1 month.
After 1 month, it
After
will be
1 month,
harvested.
there will be cross mark on papaya.
Yes, that
time you
it's
can
indicator that it's already ripe, no?
But look, it's good, right?
Yes.
That one. Look at
Guys.
the behind you.
Look, oh, napakadami ng bunga. So much. Look at the one behind me. Grabe. It's very good price right now, but we don't know how much will it cost after 1 month. So hopefully, mataas pa rin yung presyo. But the only problem here, Milan, we will have backache.
Look, the quality of this papaya
Uh-uh.
doesn't consider good.
This is not good.
Good
Because,
for- not good
okay,
quality.
because
it's
it's
round.
jada.
It's
Oo.
jada. It
It's
should be
mataba.
long.
Mm-mm.
Like that, oh. Long papaya.
Dapat ganito pala, guys, in order for it to be called good. This one, reject. It will not
reject, but not good price.
not good price. They will not give good price for that one. Dapat pala medyo pahaba sila.
Good, right?
Ay, ito din, oh, Milan. Reject din ito.
Yes.
Reject yan.
Come this side still.
Ito pa. Ingat-ingat. Medyo nadudulas. Ito pa, oh. Hanggang sa pinakadulo, magbibigay daw yan ng prutas. Pero yung unang nagbigay ng papaya is yung nasa baba. Dahil nga walang trabaho si Doc Milan ngayon, naging farmer naman siya. Milan, you become a farmer.
I didn't become farmer.
You are a farmer. Di wow. Chal.
I need to check still full farm.
Oo. Maganda din ito. Ay, Milan, there's damage. Look, oh.
What?
Or
Don't worry about that.
it's considered good.
No, don't worry about that.
Ang daming lamok. Ang dami kong kagat. So many mosquitoes, Milan.
Obviously.
You still have to check the whole farm. So, ayan guys, check muna natin yung buong farm. Uy, merong nagda-dry na leaves. Ay, namumulaklak pa lang to, Milan,
No,
oh.
this is
It's
what do you call
flowering.
it?
Boy,
It's gay plant.
gay.
It's not male, it's not female.
How do you determine?
That's why you don't have flowering.
No, there's flowering on top.
No, but it will not bear fruit.
Oh,
Some plants
reject.
are like that.
Okay. So, among 1,000, there's also some 20, 30 plants that don't give, papaya.
But most already started giving.
Oo, everything have, oh. But, hopefully, nothing will happen to our papaya farm, no? It will not get destroyed.
Yes.
Because, usually, Milan,
It can get destroyed very easily.
usually when is the harvest? Usually when is the time where disease starts coming?
After 1 month.
Means after
Now
it's not prone to disease anymore.
now at least we know that we will
Earn.
earn. We will not get lost.
Okay. Before, before so many people gets lost,
Yes.
like they're not earning any money because
Due to virus.
of the virus and problems to the farm. Problems sa farm, so ganyan.
Don't come this side.
This one also is not bearing fruit, oh. Very small.
There will be so many.
Hindi na ako pinapapunta ni Milan doon. Kasi nga napakaputik na, guys. And napakalamok na. What? There's snake?
No.
Okay, nasira. Nasira yung tube. So, inaayos niya, ina-attach niya. Ay, there's fallen papaya, Milan. Fallen papaya. Over there. Can you see? Over here. Here.
There will be like that.
Fallen papaya.
Don't worry about it.
Nice na Milan yung yung hose. Kasi, pag hindi naayos yan guys, hindi matutubigan yung mga nasa bandang part na yon. Kaya medyo dry doon eh. Kasi nasira dito. So, aayusin niya muna yan. Tignan nyo to guys, oh, hindi na siya tumubo. Hanggang dyan na lang yung laki niya. Ay, lalabas na ako guys kasi napakalamok. Baka madenggi pa tayo. Labas na ako habang inaayos pa ni Milan yung mga cork. Pinapauwi na rin kasi kami ni Papa. Dahil meron nga kami bisita daw sa bahay. So, uwi na kami.